How to find the right used transmission for your car. Is your car slipping gears, jerking, or making strange noises while shifting? You might be looking at a transmission issue. And if you're considering a replacement, going for a used transmission can save you big bucks if you know what to look for. Welcome to GearShift Auto Parts, your trusted source for quality used auto parts, including engines and transmissions. Today, we'll walk you through how to choose the right used transmission, from understanding compatibility to checking vital details before you buy. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this video will make your decision quicker, easier, and smarter. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a tip on saving money with reliable used parts. Step 1. Match your transmission. This means knowing your car's year, make, model, engine type, and drivetrain. But here's a pro tip: look up the OEM part number stamped on your transmission or use your VIN to ensure a perfect match. A slight mismatch could mean the part won't function correctly or even fit. Next, check the condition. A quality used transmission should be clean, leak-free, and tested for smooth operation. At GearShift Auto Parts, our inventory is carefully inspected and sourced from reliable dismantlers, so you're getting both performance and peace of mind. Also consider mileage. A transmission with lower mileage is generally a better investment. But don't ignore service history. Well-maintained parts with higher miles can outperform neglected low-mile ones. Quick question: have you ever bought a used part online? Comment below with your experience. We'd love to hear how it went. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who's struggling with car issues. Finally, work with a reliable supplier. GearShift Auto Parts makes it simple. You tell us your car's details, and we'll help you find the right fit. Plus, we don't just stop at transmissions, we offer a wide range of used engines and other essential auto parts for most makes and models. Need help finding the right part? We've got you covered. Reach out to GearShift Auto Parts today, your go-to source for dependable used engines and transmissions. Toll free, 855-475-5657. Email us at info@gearshiftaauto.parts. Visit our website. Thanks for watching. And remember, the right part at the right price is just a call or click away. See you in the next video.